winners! Today, we proudly explain how OPO investors achieved 105% profit in 14 months with the CompuAge Infocom Limited stock. The CompuAge Infocom Limited company is India's leading IT and mobility distribution company of India. We recommended buying the stock on 7th August 2020 at 9:41 am, and the suggested price was near or below rupees 13 and rupees 10. We had mentioned the target price between 17 to 68 Indian rupees. We have achieved the first target successfully and now obtaining a price of rupees 26 and 15 paise. With more time, we will achieve our second, third and fourth target too. We acquired it under our suggested time, 9:54 am of 29 September 2021. Be a part of these kinds of achievements, and you can join our premium services and know the manner of the successes in the stock market. Go with the given link below in the description box. To experience some more relatable recommendation videos, you can subscribe to our OnlyProfitYou Academy channel and stay updated always. Would you please share our videos with those interested in investing or trading in the stock market? It can be a game changer for them.